Hello, are you ready for some clothes? Hi guys, what's up? I have, even though this box says Zappos, that's not at all what's in here, and I was very confused when I got this box. It is a Amazon personal shopper prime wardrobe box, but it came in this Zappos box. You know, I'm sure they're making their money, you know, selling advertisements. So, yeah, if you're not familiar with the service, basically you can sign up on Amazon. I think you have to be an Amazon Prime person. And it's just $5 a month. And a stylist or computer stylist, I don't know, picks you out pieces based off of what you asked for and your style survey and all that jazz. And they send you a preview of, like, I don't know, maybe 16 pieces. And of that, you send up to 8 of them to yourself, and you can swap out colors and stuff if you so choose. And they give you a full week, which is awesome. I really enjoyed that. Everything comes individually wrapped, so I will pull it out, unwrap it, and then tell you about it. So let's get right into it. Okay, we have by Blank NYC this jacket, extra small. And I have a very similar jacket that I actually think I just put in my to sell or give away pile. So most likely this would not be a keeper, but it's a nice looking jacket, you know? So it's a real nice looking jacket, and I like it. It's got polka dots on the inside, so cool. Next up, we have what appears to be, okay, this is by Lark and Row. It is a black belted dress with pockets. Just looks like a real nice sleeveless business dress. Not that I am wearing any sort of business dress these days, but you know, someday, probably, I think. We can dream. Next up, we have this little lace number, a high neck, kind of mock neck lace. I've got a few tops similar to this that I really, really love. Love this color though. I mean, isn't that just a really, really pretty color? And so I am very interested in this. This is by Nanette Lepore. So that is beautiful. I'm really glad I had this sent to me. I feel like I was debating it, and that would have been a shame to miss out on. Okay, next up we have by Ellen Tracy. This is a petite extra small, and it is a red, orangish red cold shoulder top. It's a very dressy type material, feels really nice. And I do like that it is petite, so I don't know, this might be a keeper. I'm not a huge cold shoulder person, and even less now because, you know, is it still in? I don't know. But I never really was a huge fan of it. So we'll see. There's occasional, I have found a top that I have almost loved despite the cold shoulder. So maybe, actually I think I have one that I love because of, so we'll see. More lace. I am just a real sucker for lace. And this is black, so I'm also a sucker for black. Now, we've got, this is by Sugar Lips, and it is a black lace top. As you can see, I feel like this is going to be maybe scratchy lace. Might not end up being the world's most comfortable top, but we'll see. And I don't really like the neckline on this. I think on a black top like this, I don't know, for some reason this just looks like a little bit funeral-y, you know, because it's black and then it has this lace up here. Even kind of the way they do the ends, this might be just borderline too morbid for me. I don't know, we'll see. We have some white jeans by Jag. These are the mid-rise skinny, best kept secret cutting edge construction. Smooth tummy, enhances natural shape, custom fits to your curves. So, and it does have like this elastic band here. So I'm actually very interested in these. I do not need these whatsoever, but I'm very interested in what's happening up here in kind of this elasticy waistband. And does it feel like the best pair of pants of all time? I don't know. We shall see. I'm glad I had them send them to me, even though I don't need white pants. I'm always interested, you know, maybe I'll get these in a different color if I like them. That's the beauty with Amazon, is you can just go order what you want in a different color. Next up, we have this jean jacket. It is by Jessica Simpson. It is an extra small. It is a medium wash to it. I have one very similar. but I did want to try it again in case maybe I want to buy it in a different color or shade or something like that. Feels soft and stretchy, so I'm optimistic. Last but not least, we have this spicy little number. This is by CL Laundry, I guess. And animal print, block heel with the ankle strap. These are super cute. Look at these. I like these. I like these a lot. Okay, cool. All right, so that was my box. I really like everything. There's nothing that I pulled out that was like, ooh. So, and that's, I've actually felt like the Prem wardrobes have been pretty successful for me as far as sending me stuff that I like, and then almost like a good deal hunter, because sometimes they find stuff that's like really on sale that maybe isn't on sale like the next day, you know, so it's like a good deal hunter for me, if you will. So, all right, folks, let's try this stuff on. Okay, first outfit here, we've got 3 of the 8 pieces on, and I'm a big fan of all of these. I really like these all, and I'm feeling I'm gonna have some tough decisions at the end of this. Okay, so the jacket, I feel like it fits really well. It is a shorter jacket than what I have, but I think it is cute. I do like the medium wash of it. It is a longer sleeve, which I think they just make jean jackets with long sleeves. Anyways, it lends itself well to being rolled up, so no big deal there. So I don't know, I think it's cute. What do you guys think? Okay, I don't know what that voice was. Now, on to the next piece. So this red top, I really like. Is this out of style? What, am I making bad decisions? I don't know. I really like it. I like that the sleeve is a very slim sleeve. I like that it feels like a nice dressy top. I like red. I like red a lot. I could see myself with kind of a long necklace on, or a chunky necklace, something like that with it. So I gotta be honest, I rather like it. What do you guys think? Here's a close-up of my shirt. And here it is in the back, which there's nothing special back there. Okay, now pants. I like them, but I can't say they were revolutionary. Now, they do have good, like I said, elastic in the waist, but I feel like it could be tighter. I feel a little bit like I'm pulling them up a little bit. So, I don't know. I don't think these, I think if I didn't already have white jeans, I would snatch these up in a heartbeat. I'd be very happy with them. But since I do have them, these are not like earth-shattering for me. I do think they complement certain things, if you will. So I do think they have, what do they say, you know, all these pants are like revolutionary shaping, and sometimes I'm like, what? But no, I mean, it has some good shaping to it. So I like these a lot too, but like I said, these are just not earth-shattering enough to keep. But some of these other pieces might. So, okay, let's keep going. Okay, now I have swapped out tops to this tealish top. I hate to call it teal because it's almost a little bit more blue in it than a teal. So we'll call it a tealish blue. And I think it's very pretty. So here is a close-up of it. The back of it has a zip that was a little bit challenging to zip up. I prefer the ones that have like a single button at the top. Zipping back here is just, it's just a struggle. I have short little tiny arms and I can't reach back there. So anyways, but I like the top. I think it's cute. I think it's a good fit. I was worried at first it was gonna have a lot of extra room, but it doesn't seem to, so yay. All right, next top. Okay, so I have the black top on now, and I just think the lace on this is not very comfortable. The sleeves are long, and I love a black lace, don't get me wrong. I love a black lace, but this is almost like a little Halloween-y to me. So, and again, the long sleeves, this is just not really working for me. I guess I could scrunch up, but then I got this going on. So, yeah, just not really my cup of tea. Okay, so I've got the final 3 pieces on, and the jacket is definitely a no for me. The sleeves are a bit long, and it's an okay fit, but I do not find myself gravitating towards this leathery, pleathery feel jacket. I got one in, I think, a Latote sale, actually, and I just don't reach for it. It's just, I like more of a fabric-y type jacket, a more flexible fabric-y type jacket, and this is just, I don't know, it's just not my thing. It's just, I don't find it very comfortable. It does provide some good heat. It's just not my kind of jacket, I have learned. Okay, so let's take this off, and let's talk about these last couple of pieces. The dress. The dress fits like a glove. It's nice and snug up here, but not too snug. It's got a little bit of an A-line to it, which I really like. Kind of a subtle A-line type dress. It's got a belt, which I really like. And there's actually kind of a double keyhole here. So I think that's a cute detail. Pockets. So I absolutely love this dress. My only problem is, I have limited closet space, and I'm really struggling with these businessy type dresses because that's what this feels like. It's a very business type dress, and I just, they're not going to get worn in 2020. How much do I buy for 2021? And as I mentioned before the pandemic, I think we're even going to more of a casual office style. So I just don't think I need this, but I really like it. So I'm struggling a bit. What do you guys think of it? Here's my 360. Okay, so the shoes. These are kind of awesome. I love these. I love these with, to spice up a black dress like this. They are a great fit. They are not too tall. They're comfortable. I like an ankle strap. Keeps me. I have issues with pumps, and when I walk, you can hear kind of creak, creak. Not like sweaty, but like my foot's always coming out a little bit, and I haven't quite figured that out. And so I love an ankle strap because it keeps me secure, and I'm a quieter walker in these. I wear a certain type of heels, and people are like, oh, I heard you coming down the hallway, and it's like, yeah, I don't love that. So anyways, big fan of these. So there are a lot of pieces I liked here. I have no idea what the prices are of anything, so fingers crossed that there's some good affordable pieces here. So let's get to it. All right, so let's start at the top and do prices and decide what to keep. I did forget to mention that I am covered in bruises because I paintballed this past weekend and I got hit a lot because, I got in the game. I went out there, I got my game. It's the first time paintballing, and it was a blast, and I have the war wounds to prove it. So, okay, at the top, the Jessica Simpson Women's Pixie Classic Feminine Fit Crop Jean Jacket, $44.97. I like it. It was a good fit. It was a very good fit. I just don't know that it's different enough than the jean jackets I already have for me to warrant keeping that, so probably not a keeper. The Ellen Tracy Women's Size Open Shoulder Top, Tomato Red, Petite Extra Small, $50.34. I was actually really disappointed. I was hoping if this had been maybe $20-30, I would have kept it. Because I really did like it. I just don't $50 like it. So that was disappointing. The Nanette Lepore Women's Sleeveless Lace Top with neck ruffles. They call the color Dragonfly Teal. $35.32. So this is one I am potentially leaning towards keeping. Oh, MSRP is $48 on this. And I think it's really pretty. I like the color a lot. Then we have the heeled sandal. This is CL by Chinese Laundry Women's Jessie Heeled Sandal in tan/black, $27.54. Really, really like these. So I think these are definite keepers. Really like those. Then we have the Jag Jeans Women's Petite Cecilia Skinny Jeans, $39.99. They just weren't earth-shattering enough for me to keep. I already have plenty of white jeans. Like I said, if I didn't already, that would be a keeper for me. But since I do, not a keeper. The Sugar Lips Women's Long Sleeve All Over Lace Blouse, $26.35. This was just too funerally for me, so not going to keep that. And then Then the Blank NYC Women's Vegan Leather Moto Jacket, $48.08. I just don't find myself reaching for this type of jacket. It's just too stiff and not that great. And then this one I'm kind of agonizing over. So this is the Larkin Row Women's Sleeveless Crew Neck A-line dress with pockets, $42.97. Great, 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 great fit. I love it. I just have too many business dresses that I am not wearing. I don't know if I mentioned $42.97. So I'm leaning towards not keeping, but that's where I'm at with this. So that's it. That is my box. What do you guys think? Hopefully you liked it. And hopefully you like my decisions. I'd love to hear you guys' opinions on things. So let me know your thoughts on things. Again, if you are not subscribed, then please subscribe below. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. And hopefully I will see you in the next video. All right, bye.